This is a plasma cutting line that's specially cutting for thick plate. Let's take a look. This 55mm thickness steel plate is being cut. The cutting capacity is up to 200mm thick. We work with planned position of different shapes in advance for cutting, so that to ensure the maximum utilization of raw materials. This is a 40 meters long plasma cutting line. You can see two CNC cutting machines are installed on this line. The cutting line is mainly used for cutting long or thin steel plates. All the cutting machines can work at the same time to greatly improve work efficiency and ensure our production capacity.